Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here for Nature Speaks. And I am with this amazing tree. Oh my God. Take a look at this. How cool is that? It's like all hollow inside. It's very cool. So, we're going to be talking to this tree today. And we're going to see what it has to say. So I'm going to give you the view of the tree. While I do this, give me one moment. Hello. Wow. Oh, wow. Oof. What's your name? Did you say... Okay. Tanderen or Tander? T-A-N-D-E. Is it E? Okay. R-I-R-E-N? Okay. Tanderen. Tanderen. Okay. Well, hello, Tanderen. Are you male? Yes. Okay. Okay. You are a beauty. Okay. Do you have a message? What is it? Settle into a space and time where you know thyself. Where you appear as if there are no worries within you. When you feel as if there are no worries within you, no burdens, no sadness, no dismay. It is here where you must lean on yourself. In the space where your ultimate divinity lies. This divinity is where you must segregate yourself from all that is around you and only focus on that which is within you. Steer yourself, steer your spirit to this space of divinity. For it is here you will be at peace. It is here you will be free. Freedom exists within you. Freedom is a mindset. It is where you must place yourself. Whenever there is a misbalance within your heart space. Your heart is your getaway. Your heart is your vacation. From all that seems to be burdensome, from all the worries that you perceive. Feel the freedom within your heart. Be the free spirit. And fly. Is that it? Okay, thank you. Okay, oh my gosh. A short message, but very impactful, at least for me. This is an amazing tree. This is amazing. You're welcome. Beautiful. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. The energy, wow, is strong, and I appreciate it. I hope you do as well. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Namaste.